Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to sign in as a teacher into Raz-Plus to set up your Raz Kids student roster. If you click on Member Login, I'm going to mimic Sean Rand's account. Once I've logged in as the teacher, I'm going to click on Manage Students. This is the simplest way to populate your roster. If you are adding a student that was previously at the York School, then you would click on Transfer Students, and you can search by students with their last name or username. I'm going to search for Molly Girton. Once I find her, if I click on this arrow that says transfer, once I've clicked that, Molly will automatically be upgraded into grade 2 from grade 1. So I clicked transferred, and it says she's been transferred from Mary Moffat's class previously. If the student is a new student at the York School, then you would click on add a student, and you would fill out these fields. So for example, for Britton Godfrey, her username is going to be first initial, last name, B Godfrey. I will fill out the rest. And click on save. Now, if you wanted to add multiple students at the same time, you could. Once I've filled these fields out, you can also go in under the pencil and create a password for her. So I'm going to make it the apple. And click on save. Now, if I look at my roster, you'll see that Britton was added, who's a new student, and Molly was also added, who's a returning student, and she was transferred into the appropriate class. That's the easiest way to populate your roster in Raz Kids. If you need any help, please let us know, and we're here to support you.